Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video I have an unboxing of sorts, or an unpackaging. We all call it unboxing, but it's not really in a box. Today's purchase is made possible because a viewer was kind enough to send me a gift certificate to Fat Quarter Shop for Christmas. I just got around to spending it because I didn't know what to get and I kept dragging my feet on picking something, and finally I picked something completely, I won't say randomly, but just totally different, and I didn't overthink it, and because I've been going on the Fat Quarter Shop website and just obsessing over what to get. You know, because there's so much to choose from. And finally, I made my choice. I was like, okay, let's get this. It's really cool. It's something different. It's a designer that I have not purchased from before. So that's what I did. Okay, without any further ado, I'm going to flip the camera. I'll put you on the tabletop and let's get this brand new to me fabric collection out and see what we've got. Don't go anywhere. Here's the package, and it's just like a regular flat rate envelope, and it came pretty fast, I have to say. They do a good job from Fat Quarter Shop. So you want to be really careful getting into these packages they send you, because the fabric is right there at the edge. So be really super careful getting your goodies out of the bag. And here we go. The moment of truth. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, what did I get? I picked up something called Angels Onward and Upward, and this is from Jessica Swift. And I picked up a Fat Quarter bundle and a couple of cuts of yardage, because I wanted to have yardage to go with the Fat Quarters. And this is really cute. Let's take a look at the Fat Quarter bundle. I believe it has 12 pieces in it. We Are Fabrics, I don't know what that is. Premium cotton. This is by Art Gallery Fabrics. It does feel really nice. It says feel the difference, and it really does feel pretty. So let's see what we have in this Fat Quarter bundle. It's really pretty, I will say that. So we'll just flip it back and come through. This is very interesting. It's like Southwestern or Mexican in the design. It's really cool. So these are like little jumping rabbits, and you've got this really cool sun, or I guess that's a moon actually, a moon and rainbows, which is an interesting combination. And then there's the suns. It's very Mexican looking to me. It's gorgeous. So we've got our little happy rabbits, and then here's a beautiful textural piece. Oh, that's really nice. It's oranges and pinks, and then there's just a little pop of teal. This is little arrows. I don't know if that shows up on the camera or not. This is very pretty. So this is like almost like a creamsicle orange. It's very nice. Oh, look at that. Isn't that interesting? I'll have to see if I can get a little more information on this particular artist and what the collection is about. It was just something really different from what I normally would get. and I was intrigued by that. And this is kind of cool. This reminds me of the Phoenix, like from Harry Potter. I really like Harry Potter. I don't talk that much about Harry Potter anymore, but I really like Harry Potter, and this really reminds me of that Phoenix, but I guess this is the angel. And then you've got, so you've got like a, it's almost like a coral color here, and then you've got this beautiful blue-green. It's the same design element. And then this one, I'll have to turn it around so you can see it. This is really what sold me on it, is this horse. It's actually a Pegasus. So, so if you don't know, the Pegasus is the horse with the wings, and then the horse with the cone is the unicorn. So this is a Pegasus. It's a little bit different. And this is a really gorgeous design. I really, really like it. It's actually what sold me on the collection. This and the rabbits. And then, oh, there's a couple. This is just a really pretty design motif. It's almost like quilt shapes. Oh, and then here's the unicorn. So you get a unicorn and a Pegasus. Interesting. Aren't they pretty? Oh, he's getting a nap. So the Pegasus is in full motion, and then the unicorn is taking a little bit of a nap. And then lastly is this really pretty Starfield, which is the same as, did I see it? Oh, here it is. So you've got this like teal, and this is not like a true black. It's kind of a green black, so like a really super dark. I would say it's this green with a lot of black mixed in, but it's not pure black. And here it is in the creamsicles. These two together would make a beautiful block opposing each other, like a half square triangle or something. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. So you get 11 fat corners. It's really unusual. This is not something I would normally pick, but I thought, you know what, it's a gift. I'm going to get something just, you know, completely out there. Got that. And then I mentioned I got Yardage. So I wound up getting the horses. I should tell you, I really like horses. I had a pony as a girl, and then my neighbor, she's still my friend. We grew up together as kids, and she still has a horse. So yeah, we always had horses around. I grew up on a small farm. I should tell you that, I guess. So yeah, I'm just kind of a farm chick. Farm chick, is that a thing? I'm a farm girl. Okay, let's get back to the fabric. So this is this really sweet Pegasus, and it's got this really cool diamond going on up here, and I like these designs that are symmetrical, or they are symmetrical actually, and so they're like mirror image of each other. I really like this. And then I wanted a light and a dark, so I went with the rabbits. This is very outside of what I would normally select. I know you might not think that based on my choices with Ruby Star, but this is a very different, the Southwestern art it's a different kind of sensibility, but I really like it. I guess it's more of a folk art. Although, you know, I'm looking over at some of my Ruby Star, and it's kind of folk art as well. The words escape me today. I just don't know. But this is a really cool print. I really like it a lot. So I guess if I did like it's beautiful, put them together. Isn't that cool together? I have no idea what I'm doing with this. Absolutely no clue whatsoever. But I really like them. Look how beautifully they work together. So when you're going to put blocks together and you have something that's like 3 or 4 or 5 different colors, it can get really tough to color match. So how do I say this? You don't want to be matchy-matchy, but it is important that your colors are harmonious in terms of the undertones and all of that. So what you can see looking at this is like this green rabbit. Well, this is the same green that appears in the sun over here. And so these are going to work really well. Whereas another, it might be hard to find another green. I guess you could do a mint green, but I would feel like a mint green would sort of get lost against the lighter tones in this. You could probably go with a red, but color matching red is really hard. It's really hard. So I always say, if you're going to get a fat quarter bundle, if you think you want to do something with that bundle, if you can do it, go ahead and get a little bit of the yardage to go with it, because then you know everything's going to work. Because this is a very specific green, and this green appears throughout. So you could put that together also. It's a very cool thing. So let's see what I got. So the fat quarter bundle that I said had 11 cuts in it. And then I wound up getting the rabbits. And I got 1 yard of that. And then the Pegasus horses, they were just so cool. I wound up getting 2 yards of that because I just thought it was such a beautiful print. I like this. I might go back and get some of this, because that is super pretty. That and the arrows. The only concern I have about the arrows is that it's so directional. So that is one possible issue in using this, is the fabric is it's incredibly directional, which, you know, I normally like. I think with the rabbits you could get away with that as a non-directional print, but a lot of these are very clearly directional. This is nice. That would work well as like a blender type of a piece within a block. But see how directional everything is? I love directional. Oh my goodness. That's so nice too. It's all so pretty. I really like this one. Now that I have this in front of me, this is super cute. You know what this would be cute as? This would be a darling, darling pillowcase, because it's a little sleepy unicorn. Isn't that sweet? Oh, that's an idea. Okay, that is my beautiful gift, and I would like to say thank you to Amy. Amy, who came through as Savannah, but your email said Amy, so I'm going to say Amy. Amy, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. I would not have bought this were it not for the gift certificate, so thank you so much for being so thoughtful and so considerate. I super appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited to do something fun with this. I don't know what it's going to be, but it will be something fun. We can be assured of that. And again, if you're interested, this is called Angels and Upward, and hold on. It's called Angels, Onward and Upward from Jessica Swift. So I will have links to everything in the description, and if you like this, I will put down, there'll be my affiliate links. So if you make a purchase, it does help to support the channel. And yeah, I think you'll like this. I would say if you have kids, they're going to flip out over the Pegasus and the unicorns. And since I am an overgrown child, I absolutely love all of them. Okay, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun seeing something a little bit different than normal. And in any event, Happy sewing and happy quilting, my friends. I will see you in the next video.